How to delete your Facebook account easy and quick. Welcome guys to this tutorial. Thank you for choosing our video. Let's fix this problem together. You should go and open your Facebook. Right now you need to come to the menu, click, and right now click on your settings. Next, click on Meta Account Center. Go to personal detail. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Click Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Facebook account. Click here Delete Account. Click now Continue. Choose the reason why you want to delete and click Continue. And click Continue again. And go to Continue again here. And write your password, and that's all. So guys, I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.